In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new product in Salesforce. If you're new or simply need a refresher, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process, ensuring you master the basics of adding new products efficiently and correctly. Let's get started by navigating to your Salesforce homepage. First, go to your Salesforce dashboard. From this central starting point, you'll find access to all your tools and features. Once you're at the home page, look for the App Launcher. It's often represented as a grid icon or a waffle-like icon in the top left corner of your screen. Click on it to reveal a list of available applications within Salesforce. From the list that appears, select Products. This section is where you'll manage all your existing products and, of course, add new ones. Once you're in the Product section, you'll notice a New button. Click on it to initiate the process of creating a new product entry. Now, you'll need to input some key details for your new product. Start by typing in the product name. This name will be how you and anyone else in your organization references this product within Salesforce, so make sure it's clear and easily identifiable. Then focus on the product family. The product family groups your products into categories, which helps in reporting and organizing them within Salesforce. Select the appropriate category for your product to ensure it fits neatly into your existing structure. Next, you'll be entering a product code. This is an internal identifier, often an SKU or an item number, that helps you track and manage inventory and sales. Make sure this code is consistent with your existing naming conventions to avoid any confusion later on. After entering the product code, you might want to add a SKU if you use specific stock keeping units for your inventory management. This is particularly useful if you have multiple variations of a product. If there are any additional details that could be beneficial, input them in the product description box. While not always required, a concise description can provide additional context to other users in your organization, highlighting key features or intended use cases for the product. Moving on, decide whether this product should be marked as active. In Salesforce, marking a product as active means it's available for users to associate with transactions, quotes, and orders. If you're still testing or finalizing the product details, you might hold off on activating it. Otherwise, if every detail is correct, feel free to mark it as active. Finally, after reviewing all the entered details for accuracy and completeness, simply click the Save button. This action will add your new product to the Salesforce database, making it available for use in your daily operations. Keeping these steps in mind, you can ensure your product entries are both comprehensive and organized, enhancing your workflow within Salesforce. Thanks for following along and happy Salesforce managing!